play by the pond on a sunny day. Splash, splash, splashing water so blue. 5 little ducks said quack to you. 5 ducks. 5 little ducks went swimming one day. Tiny laughed and ran to play. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 5 ducks. 4 little ducks went swimming away. Dora waved from the pond to say, Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 ducks. 3 little ducks met a cow that day. Tiny jumped back in a funny way. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 ducks. 2 little ducks rolled in the mud. Dora laughed with a splashy thud. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 duck. 1 little duck was lost that day. Tiny and Dora searched the way. Mama duck cried quack, 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 but no little ducks came back. Mama duck called loud and strong. Tiny and Dora sang along. Quack, 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 and all 5 little ducks came back. 5 little ducks ran to the pond. Tiny and Dora jumped beyond. Splash, splash, splash in water so blue. Mama duck smiled, I love you. Good night ending. 5 little ducks sleep by the lake. Tiny and Dora take a break. Stars shine bright in the sky above. Quack, quack, little ducks with love.